So welcome to the channel. We are over at Chris Watson's shop today. We're going to get some graphics on his car. Brought a boatload over here. This is Chris's shop. As you can see that that's not the shop we're usually in. And this one's for you, Charlie. Most shops do look like you explain. They all do. So there's going to be a whole lot of bombing around, and we're going to try to get this car letter today. So here we go. Say hi to Chris, by the way. Started pretty quick. Figure out of the way of the camera. And I'll just add that we're doing something a little bit different with Chris's car this year. Rather than actually put graphics on like we normally do, what we do, we put all the graphics on first, and then we put all the sponsors on the car. This year, the way the graphics are done, the way the sponsors are done in fluorescent orange and a copper border to kind of match. It's probably a little hard to see, but his roll cage is in fact copper color. Actually, it shows up pretty good here. I don't know. I think you can see it on there. So this is the plan, and the sponsor logos are actually going to be the graphics on the car this year. So despite the fact it's a black car, Chris has always been an orange car, and the orange is going to be created by all the sponsor logos. So that's what we're up to now.
September, but I still say y'all at the grocery store. Ma'am to the waitress, bless your heart to the neighbor. They all just laugh when I call this town mine. Carhartt jacket, boots with a red clay scuff, sweet tea sweating in my favorite mug. I'm waving at trucks like they're all my cousins in a place that never heard of gators or bugs. I'm living in the north with a southern charm, little bit of twang in these two cold arms. Sunshine drawl in a sweater and scarf, saying hey y'all in a land of parks. Yeah, I brought front porch talk to these frozen farms. Living in the north with a southern charm. Oh yeah. They say pop, I say soda, we laugh in the aisle. They shovel driveways, I just pray for a while. I miss June bugs, they fear black ice. We trade our stories like a hockey cards. Church bell rings down on Brick Gray Street. I hold that door, let the world walk free. Sir and darling in the checkout line, turning every quick night into supper time. I'm living in the north with a southern charm, little bit of twang in these two cold arms. Sunshine drawl in a sweater and scarf, saying hey y'all in a land of parks. Yeah, I brought front porch talk to these frozen farms. Living in the north with a southern charm. Yeah, yeah. with a southern charm. Little bit of twang in these two cold arms. Sunshine drawl in a sweater and scarf, saying hey y'all in a land of parks. Yeah, I brought front porch talk to these frozen farms. Living in the north with a southern charm.
So I just want to wrap this video up. If you made it this far, thanks for sticking it out and watching it. We got Chris's car done last week, and this past Saturday was actually test and tune for the track that both Pete and Chris will be racing at as their main home track. And they both got their cars out and got them shaken down. And of course, they start the following, the weekend coming, so another week. And we want to wish the two of them best of luck. The following week, we'll be getting Travis's car done. He's actually going with a new look this year, so we're going to re-letter his car. And he starts a little bit later on asphalt because he races on asphalt. So both Pete and Chris are running with brand new cars this year. They're fully brand new built chassis and bodies, I guess, technically. So we will continue to do little updates as we go on their progress for the season, as well as we're still going to try to get out to the track and get some footage at the track. So you can kind of have a look in the pits, and we can get some on-track footage of our own, as well as, like I had mentioned in the very first one, we have a couple of channels that have allowed us to use their videos where they're recording all the races. So hopefully it'll be a good season. We appreciate all of you keeping tabs on this, and we got a whole season to get through because this is the very beginning. So thanks a lot for watching, and have a great day.